In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and share Grok AI responses. Quick tutorial 2026. If you've ever needed to move an answer from Grok into a document, send a full chat to a teammate, or save a response as a file, this walkthrough will show you the fastest, most reliable ways to do it. Start by heading to grok.com. You can use Grok in a browser or the app. Logging in isn't strictly required for simple copy and paste, but I recommend signing in so your conversations and share settings are saved and easy to find later. On the homepage, you'll see the Grok AI chat interface. Everything we're about to do happens right here, from copying a single message to sharing a whole thread. First, the quickest method for grabbing text is the classic manual copy. Highlight the exact portion of the response you want inside the chat, then press Ctrl+C on Windows or CMD+C on a Mac. Paste it wherever you need with Ctrl+V or CMD+V. On a phone or tablet, long press to select, drag the handles to adjust, tap copy and then paste into your notes, email or document. This is perfect for short snippets or quotes. If you want to share an entire conversation with its context, use the built-in link sharing. Open Grok in your browser or the app, go to your history on the left panel, and open the conversation you want. Click the Share button, typically in the top right area or just under the thread. Grok generates a unique link and copies it to your clipboard automatically. You can send that link by email, messaging apps, or social media. Before you share, double-check that the conversation doesn't include private details you don't want to expose. For a permanent, portable file, export a response to PDF. In the thread, find the specific answer you need, tap the More button under that message, and choose Export to PDF. This creates a clean, ready-to-share document that's ideal for reports, approvals, or archiving. After exporting, look for the file in your downloads and rename it if you want clearer organization. Finally, if you're working with Grok projects, you can share them as well. In the left sidebar, locate the project you want, click the three dots next to its name, then select Share. Turn on the Everyone toggle if you need public access for viewing. When the work is complete, consider turning that toggle off again to limit access. And that's it. You now know how to copy text, share full conversations, export to PDF, and publish projects from Grok quickly and confidently.